real talk, just rap pack. Besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinatra, that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf.
Hi guys, and welcome to today's video, which is one for the memories. This one, me and Jade are collecting the keys to our new house. This is a mental video that we've waited 7 months to finally film, just because the house is being built, because it's a new build house. But today, both the cars are full of a lot of stuff. They're not completely full, because we still need to go to storage unit, get more stuff. There's stuff at this house that we need to get from my parents' house and bring over to the house. But today is basically going to be a compilation of our reaction, time lapse, and obviously I'll give a sort of walkthrough of our house and show you all what it looks like. But yeah, today, me and Jade are getting the keys to our new house. Hope you enjoy the ride. This is one for the memoirs, to look back on in sort of years to come and be like, this is our first house, this is the video we filmed getting our first house. So I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, as you can see, we have a massive unit in the back of Jade's car to put like clothes and stuff in, but mine's just full of kitchen boxes and all sorts. But yeah, move-in day! Right, Jade's car's on, my car's warming up. We're about to leave. We're about to take the, I think it's an 8-mile trip from where we are now to our new house. I'll get some cool shots while I'm driving behind Jade, while Jade's driving behind me, if I can. Let's go! Jade's off to pay for fuel. Good luck, Jade. Morrison's. Moving day. Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah, you're looking good. Maybe a bit more over if you can. Just go straight. Go straight. Straight. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Hey, there you go.
Yeah.
Here we go, Jade.
It's all weird filming at the same time.
This is
filming at the same time.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. So we're both going to be talking for both our videos, but we're about to go into our house for the first time. Here we go.
Okay,
You ready?
Oh my god.
Oh, the kitchen! Oh my god! This is like a... Look
Oh my
at this.
god!
Oh, we'll get some proper shots later on. Oh, look at this! This is lovely. Oh wait, where's the dishwasher?
Wait. And I just want to do this.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Wow.
There is our kitchen.
Oh, it's so nice and warm in here. Right, so where's the dishwasher? Oh, that is a little diddy one. Oh, that's so adorable.
There's our little tiny
Little dishwasher. Ah.
Right,
That's the carcass of our kitchen. Oh, that is just... So we went for a charcoal colour. So it's like a dark grey. It's not black, it's like a nice grey with like a nice matte finish with copper handles and then a marble half thickness top with a nice little splashback. Right, time to go. Oh my god, look at the handles. Look at the door handles, they're so nice.
Oh, look, you can literally see there's like a nice
little,
difference of
like,
like
yeah.
chrome and then
Like
matte.
a matte polished. Right, here we go. I mean, this is just going to be a room.
Living room.
Oh, it's so warm in here. Well, yeah, there's nothing in it.
Look how big our electricity meter is. We've been peering in from these back doors for so long. So
That's our garden. Sorry for the double comms everywhere. But yeah, we used to stand on the patio here looking in at this room and being like, oh, I can't wait to be there. No, we're in it, Jane. But yeah, so we're putting like a corner bench and then our kitchen table's going there, TV's going there, and then we're having a corner sofa going there. And then that's our cupboard.
I don't think it's actually a shoot rack, but we can.
Yeah, we could fully use that though. That's well handy.
Yeah. So
Right.
This is our ET.
Time to go upstairs. Oh, let's see the bathroom. Downstairs bathroom. Oh, Jade, the moonstone looks good.
He's doing things without me, guys.
Oh, look at the tap. Oh, tap.
Oh.
Yeah, that is nice. It almost looks purpley. I think it's time to go upstairs.
Oh, did you use the tap?
Yeah, I used it.
Using things without me, Jake. Oh, that's a nice tap.
It's like a nice foam note. Do you
Yeah.
remember I said like
You
the
said you
water
wanted
when I wanted a tap, I wanted one that made the water all like airy, so like it doesn't like splash you in the face when you like turn it on, and it like goes round. Look at that! Look. It like just goes round your hand. It's the little things, guys. It's the little things. Right, time to go upstairs. There's the banister. We haven't got any carpet, obviously. We're on concrete right now. At the moment, we don't have carpet or anything in the house, which is why it's so echoey. But eventually, we'll have carpet in, but not for another like 3 weeks. Let's go upstairs. Here we go. Upstairs. Is the bathroom door shut? No, it's open.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, we chose nice. We chose lovely. Look at that. Yes, this is the moonstone.
There's the textured
The
wall.
textured wall.
Moonstone. So it's like a grey purpley colour, but it's like a weird texture. And then we got a feature wall of these zigzags. Yeah, it's a bath tap, it's a bath shower. But because it's new, it should be better than like an old one. So what we'll do is we'll have to set the temperature on 1 and then just turn it up. It should be easy. It should be fine. But yeah, this is our bathroom.
I think for this room as well, we don't even need
Toilet.
to paint the wall.
Another Jsmk tap. Oh yeah, and we have a massive towel rail. Oh, look at a hiccup there. We'll do a proper walkthrough at the end when we start putting stuff in. Oh, this is very echoey. This is our room? Yeah, this is our room. So we're having wardrobe there. This is our room, just like room size. And there's my car. There's Jade and mine's car on the drive. What?
I'm going to video these 2 rooms after you finish, but I've just seen the view from this room.
Oh, okay. Oh, hold on, there we go. I mean, when that's not a big pile of mud, that is lovely. There's our garden with its grass. Oh my God, do you remember we had this conversation? Me and Jade literally had the conversation none of these were turfed, like 2 days ago, none of these were turfed. And I said they probably won't turf just ours, so we'll probably wait a couple of weeks and then they'll turf all 4 of them because there's 4 houses in a row.
Baby lamb running! Oh, you just missed it. Oh, that was actually so cute. Oh, Jake, what's the lambs run? Isn't that cool?
And then it turns out they did just turf our garden, which I didn't think they were going to do, but they did. I think they are also turfing the rest of them, but ours is turfed. That's our view from the kitchen. Both cars in each window, look at that. I know the audio has probably been horrific this entire video because the echo is so bad, but this is just us experiencing our house for the first time, so you gotta understand that this is just a mad one. A lot of saving went into this, a lot of waiting. We had to wait like 7 months for the house to be built, the longest time of your life. But let's start unpacking. Something out I just found out. Soft closed kitchen doors, look at that. Look at the slow motion on this, look. Boop. Oh, it's the little things, guys, it's the little things. So the first thing I've done in the new house, I've put in our cutlery. We do have another set of silver and another set of oil slick. But yeah, I've put in our first thing. Actually, Jade technically put in the first thing because she put in our toilet roll holder, which is a little elephant. Look at him. There he is. Elephant. Cute. I just plugged in the first from the living room, which is this cool little light. It looks so lonely. We're just off back home now to go collect more stuff. Just watching Jade get off the drive. Well done, Jade. Bloody smashed it. Right, so it is now it's 11 o'clock, basically midday. We have officially moved everything into our kitchen. We can't actually move everything into the house because we haven't got carpet. So the more stuff we move in, when the carpet needs doing, in I think it's 2 weeks' time, we're gonna have to move everything around. So we're not fully moving in just yet, but we're gonna move everything in the kitchen because obviously that can just go in units. Stuff like food and clothes we can move around, that's easy enough. But we're not moving too many sort of units into the house. But yeah, so it's midday, we're going back to my mum's now to collect the rest of our clothes and anything else that we have, like food and stuff lying around that we need to take over. And then I'll give you a tour of the house once it's... I wish I'd just got it on camera, but we're going down a back road right now and a lorry just came down the road and Jade absolutely smashed it. She's not the most confident reverser in the world, but she absolutely smashed it round a corner and then up like this hill. It was very good, very good. Well done, Jade. If you're watching this, well done. And then I just reversed back. Like I'm fine with reversing, but I know she's not as confident, but she absolutely smashed it. Well done, Jade. Props. Right guys, it's been a couple of days since I actually picked up the camera, because since filming those first clips you've seen, we have officially sort of moved in and been unpacking the last sort of 5 days. So the house is a bit more together, but we still don't have any carpet and we're still missing a couple of bits and bobs, but I thought I'd give you a full tour of what it looks like right now. Right, so coming to the front door, we have obviously the kitchen, which obviously you have seen, but I'm just going to sort of give you a proper walk round and a bit better of a sort of actual recording of the kitchen. So we have obviously the washing machine, which will go in there, but unfortunately the pipes that we've got for it didn't reach because we've got a tiny little dishwasher, little adorable dishwasher there, and then obviously it goes under there with all the other stuff. But yeah, and then we've got obviously the sink, all the cupboards, which are all a decent size, got, you know, all your bits and bobs in there. Also a bit empty. Oh, the cards have stacked it. This is the inside that we chose for the cupboards. I believe it's called the skins, but it's something like that. But the inside of the cupboard, yes, we've gone for like a nice sort of grey, ashy sort of wood effect inside. We've got obviously the oven, which is a Bosch oven, which is very good. It's all fan with an electric hob, because where we live, you're not allowed to have gas. It's literally electric water, that's it. Microwave, which is a lovely like mirrored microwave. Hi guys. Cupboards, marble top obviously, marble splashback, which I have shown you. We've got our fridge freezer at the moment, which is just a literal fridge on a freezer, or a freezer on a fridge actually, I think, at the moment. We also have our downstairs bathroom, which is literally toilet, sink, and a lovely little splashback for the sink. Some little plants in here. We then come through to the living room, which is, I think, a pretty reasonable size. So obviously, yet again, boxes everywhere. We've got the TV up on a unit at the moment, or a, what's it called? Like a chest of drawers. We've got our sofa, which are just 2 beanbags at the moment. But yeah, it's a reasonable size. That's where the dining table is going to go. TV will stay there, and then we'll have a nice little corner sofa here. And then this is our garden, which is some nice patio onto a reasonably big garden for a 2-bed house. It's a pretty big garden, to be fair. So yeah, that's our garden. We have a little airing cupboard in here, which is just for shoes and hoovers and other stuff. Then coming upstairs, we come to, oh, it's quite dark up there. I'll turn the light on in a second. But yeah, we have both bedrooms. So the smaller bedroom and then the larger bedroom and then the bathroom. So we'll have a look at the bedroom first. There we go. So this is like a decent size where you'd have a big wardrobe there. And then you'd probably have the bed there, but obviously we've just got boxes of clothes everywhere at the moment. But yeah, it's like a decent size. It's hard to sort of get size on the camera because it doesn't really go. I haven't got like a wide angle lens, but yeah, this is the larger of the bedrooms. This is the smaller of the bedrooms, but where we are sleeping at the moment. But it does have a nicer view. It's got a lovely view. Ignore the big mounds of mud. Eventually that should be gone. But so if we just sort of do that, yeah, that's sort of the view. Some nice trees over there. If I go into this window, yeah, you've got some lovely trees over there. And just some nice fields. Yeah, it's lovely. But at the moment, there's just a big mound of mud from where they're working. But yeah, so just some lovely fields and trees and blue sky and just loveliness. This is where we're sleeping at the moment. But we're probably going to put like a unit, or this will eventually turn into like an office and we have like a corner office here. But yeah, that's the second bedroom. And then coming through to the final room in the house, it's the bathroom. We have some lovely moonstone coloured tiles with a feature texture wall, which is like zigzaggedy, which is quite cool. But yeah, it's just like simple toilet, sink. We have this cool sink dispenser where you push this. Sink dispenser. We have a nice little toothpaste dispenser where you push it out of your toothbrush and it squeezes out the toothpaste. Quite cool. Only like £2. I rate it. It's bloody awesome little device. You just put your toothbrush in there, bloop, and it just squeezes out the toothpaste. Very nice. Towel rail, very nice. Get naked sign, because what else are you going to do in a shower? Yeah, just nice and modern, really. Also, the reason this hasn't come up sooner is we didn't even have Wi-Fi for like 3 days. And then when we finally did get Wi-Fi, we still had to unpack and get so much stuff from storage. So yeah, sorry for the delay. But yeah, that's it. That's our house. We've sort of officially moved into the house finally. But there we go. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's just like one for the memories. We finally moved in. There's still lots to go. Obviously, it needs carpet, sofa, dining table. And Jade's definitely going to document those sort of things on her channel, because I think that's called, well, I think it's just Jade Wattingham at the moment. But yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.